What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canary again. We're coming out with another short tutorial in C Sharp. So today we're going to talk about comments. Yeah, this is just a pretty easy, quick one. Um, but before we start, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel there, so we can increase our fan base. We're growing slowly but steady. That's pretty good. Okay, comments. Comments are really important, because you just want to know, when you're working with your programs and with your project, and when you put a line of code, maybe it was hard to do it, or to make sense to you, you just gotta add a comment. Because sometimes if you go back later, you wouldn't know, like, what did you do that for, you know? You wouldn't remember. So comments are always good to help you remember and what needs to be done. So how do you do one line of code, or text or whatever, So you just do two forward slash, like that, and then you do single comment. If you wanna add another one, this is my second comment. If you wanna, one single line of comment right there. Or you can just do this. This is a hello program. Okay, now if you want to do maybe like a longer comment, how you do that? You just do a forward slash, and then you do the asterisk character or the star, and then you do say you end with, you close it, you end, it's going to be the same, asterisk, and then forward slash. You can say, you can, oh man, let's see, how bad I am typing. You can add a long comment here without without any problems. This will work fine until you are done with your program. Yeah, you keep adding more. You just keep going to the next line. Say, see, I can tell that this is a cool way to add longer comments. Yeah, see, that was a longer comment. Yeah, anyway, guys, so basically that's pretty much it about comments. Hopefully, yeah, this came right straight to the subject right here. It was just a short and fast one. All right, thank you guys, and have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.